It's happening, it's happening, it's happening. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I see a great awakening. Good morning, Jamaica. Great awakening. Oh, I see generations of the righteous being blessed. I see nations upward thirsting after righteousness. The blind no longer led, the poor no longer fed, the land's reinherited. Just like David said, and I see beauty for ashes and joy for those who mourn. I see fire restored as if the veil has just been torn. Barren lands becoming fruitful after people stand for more. Living sacrifice required, restored forevermore. Great awakening. Great awakening. And I see Joshua generation, day and night they meditate. Oh, this is Jacob, this generation seek your face. Ascending higher heights, encountering greater grace. Clean hands and pure in heart as we mount this holy place. And I see billions underneath as nations fast and pray. Prostrate before the King of Kings, continued night and day. We enter just like Jesus, full of truth, Lord, and grace. Can't do nothing without the Father. Oh, that's why we seek your face. Great awakening. Great awakening. Good morning, world. Great awakening. It's happening. Great awakening. We started in Jamaica. We started. All across the Caribbean, there's a great awakening. In Europe, in Africa, North and South America, great awakening. Great awakening. There's a great awakening. Great awakening. Great awakening. There's a great awakening. There's a great awakening. Great awakening. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Generations of the righteous being blessed, and I see nations hungry, thirsting after righteousness. The blind no longer led, the poor no longer fed, the land's reinherited. Just like David said, and I see beauty for ashes and joy for those who mourn. I see fire restored as if the veil has just been torn. Barren lands becoming fruitful. People stand for more. Living sacrifice required. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Smile Jamaica in the morning. There's a great awakening. Great awakening. There's a great awakening. There's a great awakening. There's a great awakening.